Alright guys, I've got this DJI O4 Air Unit. This is a digital HD FPV video system and it consists of a camera, a transmitter module and an antenna. So this has got a 4K 60 FPS camera. It can also do 120 FPS at 1080p and it has 23 GB of built-in storage and on paper range of 6 miles, which is questionable. And all of this weighs just 16 grams, so you can use it in the smallest possible drone. The best thing about this is it gives you not only video but also telemetry and control. To use this, you are going to need DJI goggles. I've got the DJI goggles N3 and an FPV remote. So this is the DJI RC FPV3 controller. So these three work in sync so that you get both video and control. So this is the module with the camera and the antenna, and I've designed a 3D printed mount for it. So I've built this 5-inch FPV quadcopter using the O4 Air Lite unit, and let's go out and fly this thing to test the footage. Alright, so this was a short sneak peek of what's going on these days, and I'll be sharing more details on this 5-inch FPV drone build very soon, so please stay tuned.